Hi guys, my name is Jolien Brebels and welcome to my channel. The company Made the Best was kind enough to send me a laser engraver. It's a pretty small one, but I wanted it for a long time, so I'm very happy with it. Thank you so much, Made the Best. As you can see, it comes with a lot of stuff. Some metal plates, some wooden planks and some paper to test on. There are also some wooden blocks to raise the laser to engrave on a larger surface. As you can see, you should always stay near the engraving machine while it's running. The engraving machine works with an app on your smartphone. It's really handy. Here I was engraving my name in one of my wooden blocks. Because it's a small laser, it takes a while to engrave some things. While waiting the laser was finished, I was riding my bike in the garden. This way I was still around to watch the laser, but I was not inhaling the fumes. Okay Jolien, let's move on to the memory game. I had some thin 3mm strips of plywood laying around. They were suitable for this memory game. Sanding the surface smooth before cutting it into the cards. I was cutting the cards on the bandsaw, but I should put some tape around it. There was a lot of tear out on the cards. Giving them round corners make the cards look prettier, I think. Now let's do some sanding on the cards. Okay, now it's time to do the fun part, the laser engraving. Thanks again, Made the Best. You can use every image on your smartphone in the app. Position it and let's check the engraving area. If it's right, you can press start. There was a lot of tear out on the back of the cards, so I fixed it with some super glue. After filling the holes, I sanded it flat again. But the super glue was still noticeable, so I decided to cover the back with some Osmo Decor Creative. Thanks Osmo for these beautiful colors of Decor Was Creative. It's really easy to apply with a paper towel, then you let it dry for 20 minutes and you remove all the excess material that's still on the plate. I applied 2 coats of Decor Was Creative on the back of the cards and then I finished the whole card with HARDWAX Original Oil from Osmo. I'm finishing the cards with Osmo HARDWAX Original Oil. You can get a discount of 10% on your order on Osmo Nederland with the code JolienOsmo. Hi everyone, thanks for watching until the end. It was a very simple project, but I loved it so much because it involved laser engraving, a thing I was willing to test out for a very long time. Thanks Made the Best for making this possible. If you would like to have a mini laser engraver yourself, you can get one in the Amazon store from Make the Best. There's a discount code of 10 euros until the end of the month. Oh, and if you're here on my channel because of all the wooden model cars I made in the past, no worries, they will be coming back in the future, but for now on I'm focusing on making as many simple wooden toys as possible in time before Christmas for charity. So I'm sorry if you're waiting for the model cars, but just wait a little bit longer and they will be coming back. And thank you for all your long time support, for always watching my videos, and if you don't, also thank you for watching this video. Bye!